Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can add word to your personal dictionary in Google Docs. This is useful when Google Docs keeps underlying a word as a misspelled even though it's correct, like a name, brand, technical term or word in another language. So as you can see I have this brand name which is checkmark with two A's and it's underlined as a misspelled. If you want to remove this, we need to add this to our personal dictionary. You can do that by going to Tools, then spelling and grammar. And here you can choose personal dictionary and you can add your word which you want. Check mark with two A's, click on add. And from this moment, Google Docs will remember this word, and not just in this document, but in every Google Doc you open with your account, you will have check mark with two A's as a normal word, and it's not going to be misspelled. So that's how you can add word to your personal dictionary. Now, if you would like to remove this, you want to go again to Tools, Spelling and Grammar, Personal Dictionary, and you can basically click on this trash icon to remove this specific word. Click on OK, and this is it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.